powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This GMC features dual front airbags, alloy wheels, and a sunroof. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include parking sensors, satellite radio, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.